In The Standover Man, Liesel's lecture, a part of Markus Zusak's The Book Thief, the gravity of harboring Max, a Jewish fugitive during World War II, sets in motion a profound and tense atmosphere within the Huberman household. This part of the novel delves deep into the clandestine life they must lead in order to protect Max, whilst encapsulating the depth of the relationships being forged and the sacrifices being made by each character. The narrative begins with Max taking refuge in Liesel's room. This arrangement immediately shifts the dynamic within the house, introducing an aura of quiet seriousness. Hans, ever the stern yet caring paternal figure, informs Liesel that she would not be attending school, citing illness as the reason. This is more than just a protective measure. It's an initiation into the world of heavy responsibilities that Liesel must now shoulder. Hans chooses to confront the situation with a sense of gravity that matches the peril they are in. He explains to Liesel the critical importance of keeping Max's presence a secret, painting a vivid picture of the dire consequences should they be discovered. The threat is dual-edged. Not only would they lose Max, Hans and Rosa would be taken, thereby dismantling the only family structure Liesel has known and grown to depend on. The imagery of Hans threatening to burn Liesel's treasured books is particularly striking. It emphasizes the monumental weight of the promise she must keep. Books are her sanctuary and solace in a world filled with loss and uncertainty. Liesel's reaction to Hans's stern lecture is intensely emotional. Her sobbing underscores the fear and understanding of the precarious balance they must strike to protect Max and each other. This profound moment is an encapsulation of the core themes of the novel. Words, as seen through Liesel's eyes, symbolize power, freedom, and security. The idea of losing her beloved books represents a direct assault on her personal refuge, pushing her to grapple with the reality of the persecution around her. Furthermore, Liesel's comprehension of the situation and her promise not to disclose Max's presence highlights a critical development in her character. She transitions from an innocent girl harboring a love for words to a key participant in the fight against the oppressive forces around them. This growth showcases her resiliency and the deep values instilled in her by Hans and Rosa. Zusak elegantly crafts this chapter to weave together themes of light and dark, good and bad, safety and peril. While the quiet and altered atmosphere in the house suggests a veneer of normalcy, the underlying tension speaks to the constant threat of discovery and its potentially devastating repercussions. This duality is a recurring motif in The Book Thief, capturing the essence of survival and humanity amidst unbearable turmoil. In essence, The Standover Man, Liesel's lecture, illuminates the emotional and psychological metamorphosis that Liesel undergoes. The family collectively embodies courage, resilience, and sacrifice, themes that resonate powerfully through Zusak's poignant narrative. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. If this video was helpful to you, please let me know in the comments and leave a like on this video. I love hearing from you guys, and it helps grow the channel.